Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a Redux tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Register a store listener. We have another method, store method for Redux, which is subscribe. And what this does is that whenever you have your reducer dispatch an action against the store, this method will run. So what we can do here is that it wants us to write a callback function that increments the global variable count every time the store receives an action and pass this function into the store.subscribe method. So we can see here, we have a store. We have a reducer here with an initial state of 0, and it takes an action. And we have a action to add, and we just return state plus 1. So what we can do here is that we can create a new function, write a callback function. So const, you can call it increment count. And it just increments this. So count plus plus. So we want to call this in store.dispatch. So store.subscribe. And we pass in increment count. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.